Hey, you! Thanks for stopping by. Today, we're looking at ways to save time when making bento. Planning makes mornings so much easier. Do as much as you can the night before. That way, you can be enjoying your morning instead of making a ton of decisions. Try to plan with leftovers in mind so you can skip some of the cooking. Choose and put out your bento box the night before so it's one less decision. Prep is absolutely essential if you don't want to do everything first thing in the morning. You can prep whole meals for a grab and go kind of lunch, or you can prep certain dishes for the week so you only need to portion and pack what you need for that day. Ingredients should be prepped as much as possible when you get home from grocery shopping. Onions can be chopped ahead of time and refrigerated, meatballs cooked and frozen, broccoli chopped into florets, cabbage separated. Whatever you use the most can be prepped to cut so much time off the cooking process. Remember, bento doesn't have to be hard and shouldn't use all the time you have. It's meant to make your day brighter, not more stressful. I hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all. Take care, and I'll see you next time.